Adiga-didayo, inangkaharan, talagay da guste. Warsan iyo wanaag, adiga-didayo, inangkaharan, talagay da guste.
Yeah, it's been a long time, but now it's like that. Reincarnated like some time to come back. Calling them out with a verbal attack. 1999, check the remix. I'm a chemical rhyme for those who get sick. Money on the mind. Brothers like to know the epitome of the Naga Abugajo. The abbreviation is another verse to go analysis. I'm designed to work on this. Sure to get used to this, but I think well that the behavior she impressed. Get it, cause I never mess with my boy's ex. She's a black cat curious for the climax. This stops into that now, slow and fast. Not a picture but a real life fashion. Check it out, yo, and Abugajo in this collaboration, no doubt.